Today, I want to zoom out and remind you, this journey you're on, it isn't just about losing weight. It's so easy to get tunnel vision about the scale, especially when you're on a GLP-1 and seeing big changes. But this work is so much bigger than a number. Let's talk about why it matters to see the full picture. Weight is just one measure of change. It's natural to focus on the scale. It's a simple number you can track. But it's not the whole story. Your health is changing in ways that the scale can't show. Maybe your blood sugar is improving. Your cholesterol numbers are better. You can move more comfortably. Your clothes fit differently. Even your relationship with food is shifting. Don't dismiss those wins just because they didn't show up in pounds lost. The real goal is health and freedom. I want you to think about why you really started this journey. Was it truly just about a number? Or was it about feeling healthier, having more energy, reducing health risks, feeling confident in your own skin? For many of us, it's also about freedom. Freedom from food noise, freedom from shame, freedom to live our lives without thinking about food every second. GLP-1 medications help with that. You're building trust with yourself. One of the most underrated victories on this journey is learning to trust yourself again. Every time you choose to eat intentionally, every time you notice a craving and pause instead of reacting, every time you plan a meal, even when you're not super hungry, those small choices are huge. You're proving to yourself that you can do this in a sustainable way. And that self-trust, that's something no scale can measure. Today, I want you to celebrate one win that has nothing to do with the scale. Maybe you slept better. Maybe you stopped eating before you were full. Maybe you felt calmer around food. Write it down, say it out loud, and give yourself credit. Drop a plan emoji in the comments if you know this journey is about more than just weight. And I want you to remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.